Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the home screen of your phone and select clock icon. This is clock icon, just click it. And now click on alarm icon here and you can set new alarm. These two are already available alarm. You can just turn on or turn off. If you turn on this 8:30 a.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be activated. You can also add your own alarm using this plus symbol. And first set time for alarm. I would like to set 5 5. Then I would like to set 5:20 a.m. and this is the alarm time. You can set the repeat here. Just select repeat. You can select days here. If you would like to set alarm for Sunday, you can tick on Sunday. Or if you want to set Monday to click on Monday. In this way you can select all 7 days from Sunday to Saturday. Or if you would like to select some particular days only, for example, if you don't want alarm on Tuesday, you can uncheck it. If you don't want on Thursday, you can uncheck it. You can just select some particular days using these 7 days option. Click on OK. If you click here, you can change your timing again. Just you can type timing here. I would like to change it to now 4:20. Then alarm sound. Click on alarm sound. Here you can select from the ringtones available in your phone. Early in the morning, flush of dawn, like this you can select from the available ringtone. Also you can add your own ringtone using add new. If you have any music file in your local folder, you can select it. That will be acting as alarm tone. And now I go back. Then vibrate. Here just you can turn off vibrate or turn on vibrate. While ringing alarm, also vibration occurs if you turn on this button. Otherwise, only ringing will occur and vibrate will not occur. In label, you can assign any name for your alarm. You can name your alarm. For example, if you want to get up early in the morning at 4:20 a.m., just you can write a note like this, get up. Suppose if you would like to get up at this time for any other function like your friend marriage or your birthday or your friend birthday or your child birthday, just you can here write a note. So that will be acting as a name for your alarm. So in the label field, whatever you type, there will be name for your alarm. Also it will be like a note to your alarm. So you can here I change like friend marriage. Okay, click on OK. Finally click on this tick mark and the alarm will be set. If you would like to change the snooze time, you go to click on these 3 dots and click on settings. Here you can select a snooze length. After 10 minutes, it will again repeat. So you can set snooze length to 30 minutes or whatever you want. Here up to 30 minutes available. Longer is 30 minutes. Alarm volume, here you can increase alarm volume using this bar. Then silence after 10 minutes. That means after 10 minutes alarm will go silent. You can also set it to never. Gradually increase volume. That means volume will be increased gradually. Volume and power button snooze. For snooze, you can use volume and power buttons. Or if you want to dismiss, just you can select another option. So in this way, you can customize several settings in your alarm. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.